In this video, we will learn how to manage advanced variable in Figma with the plugin. Import variable into a Figma file and export variable from to Figma file. Make sure we create that kind of design system. They have support import and export both functionality. If you have created a new file or if you are on another project, the import and export functionality didn't work. So make sure you use that you have purchased from our platform. Before start import and export variable, I will explain you how to advanced variable work in a Figma. Let's jump into the Figma. Go to the variable panel. There are 4 collections for the variable design system. Let's check out the Tailwind one. These all are the core variables. These all variables are mapped with the theme, responsive and mode collection. Second one is the responsive. In a responsive collection, we have set up a variable for web tab and mobile version for the responsive names, so you don't have to create a manual work for the responsive design. Let's check out the theme collection. If you are using our latest version of Figma file, you will get 10 beautiful themes in the design system. As of now, we are checking a default and summer theme. Make sure Figma is allowed 2 modes in a free version. If you want to use a more mode for theming achievements, you have to purchase a Figma Pro license. In a default theme, you can see all these variables are attached with the Tailwind variable. Also, you can create a custom theme using a custom color. You don't have worried about light and dark mode because we have created mode collection for that. Simply go to mode collection. You can see all these variables are mapped with the light and dark mode. So if you are creating any custom theme over here, so you can achieve light and dark mode easily. Let's start import theme variable into Figma file with the Figma plugin. Simply go to a plugin section, find the Shadcn Studio Figma plugin, click on to import theme to Figma. Now we have pasted theme variables over here. For theme variables, we have go to shadcn.com/theme customizer. Simply click on start customizing. In the theming section, we have already added too many themes. Let's try the Ghibli Studio. Simply click on the copy button and copy variables. Now jump into the Figma. Write a theme name, paste a theme variable and click onto import theme. It will take some time because there are many variables are automatically attached with the Figma file. The variables are already imported. Let's check it out. Simply go to variable section. You can see the Ghibli themes are imported. We will check how it works. Select the section, go to appear section, go to theme and apply the Ghibli theme. Wow, it's look great. Now let's export theme variable with the plugin. Let's start the plugin. Click onto the export Figma theme. Select the theme. Click onto export theme variable. Now all the variables are generated. Simply click on copy CSS variable. Now check the variable we opened theme generator again. Simply click onto the customizer. Click onto the import and paste your variable over here. Now click onto the import button. You can check all the variables are working perfectly fine.